Everyone thinks the best-selling 4K dash cam is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some top-rated models cut corners in low light, others overheat or fail in parking mode, and that's exactly what we're uncovering today. Product number 1, ROVE F7N Touch. Let's start with the ROVE F7N Touch. This one caught my eye because it's packed with premium features like a 3.18-inch touchscreen voice control and a free 128GB memory card, all for under $180. If you want a high-end dual camera setup that feels like it belongs in a luxury car, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The front camera shoots true 4K UHD using a SDARVIS2 sensor, which means you can actually zoom in and read a license plate from 30 feet away, something cheaper cams claim but rarely deliver. Plus, the built-in GPS logs your speed and route, which can be crucial for insurance claims. With over 3,000 units sold last month, it's clearly resonating with drivers who want reliability without breaking the bank. Now, some people complained about the suction cup mount loosening over time, especially in hot climates. Here's the thing though, this isn't unique to ROVE. Most suction mounts struggle in extreme heat, but you can easily upgrade to a sticky mount, which they also sell for a more permanent hold. Also, while parking mode works great, it does require a separate hardwire kit, so budget an extra $20-30 if you want 24/7 surveillance. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently at night or in busy cities where clear evidence matters. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option or hate dealing with apps. It relies heavily on the ROVE Cam app for full functionality. For the price, though, it's one of the best value-for-money 4K dual cams out there. Product number 2, X5 4K plus 25K dual dash cam. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers who still want dual recording. Meet the X5, a front and rear dash cam that shoots 4K up front and 2.5K out back, all for under $90. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2.5K rear camera is rare at this price point. Most sub $100 cams drop the rear feed to 1080p, but 2.5K gives you sharper detail if someone rear-ends you or tries to dispute fault. The night vision uses basic WDR, so it's not as crisp as SDARVIS sensors, but it handles streetlights and headlights decently. Loop recording and G-sensor autolock work reliably, and the app lets you preview footage quickly, though downloads are slower than premium models. Now, some users reported that the rear camera cable feels flimsy and can disconnect if jostled during installation. Here's the thing though, this is common with ultra-thin cables meant for tight spaces. Just take your time routing it and use the included clips. Also, don't expect app-based GPS tracking. This model lacks built-in GPS, so you won't get speed or location data embedded in your videos. This is perfect for you if you want dual-channel protection without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need GPS logging or drive mostly in pitch-black rural areas. The night vision is just average. For city commuters or new drivers, though, it's a steal. Product number 3, ROVE R2 4K now. If the X5's lack of GPS bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The ROVE R2 4K is built by a US-based company and focuses on clean, reliable performance, not flashy extras. Priced around $126, it shoots crisp 4K footage with a Sony IMX335 sensor and boasts Wi-Fi 6 for faster app transfers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large f1.5 aperture lens captures way more light than standard dash cams, making night driving footage noticeably clearer. The 150 degrees wide-angle lens avoids fisheye distortion while still covering multiple lanes. Built-in GPS stamps every video with your speed and location, handy for proving you weren't speeding during an incident. Now some buyers were frustrated that it doesn't include a memory card. You'll need to buy a U3 rated microSD separately. Here's the thing though, this forces you to get a high-quality card which actually improves reliability. Cheap bundled cards often fail within months. Also, the 2.4-inch screen is functional but small. Reviewing clips on your phone via the app is easier anyway. This is perfect for you if you prioritize image quality, GPS data, and long-term support. Skip this one if you hate buying accessories separately or need rear camera coverage. It's front only. For solo drivers who want dependable 4K recording with zero bloat, ROVE delivers. Product number 4, OVAMAN K600. Alright, that was a solid front-only option. But the next one on my list brings back dual recording and does it under $90. The OVAMAN K600 records 4K up front and 1080p out back, includes a free 64GB card, and even throws in 5G Wi-Fi for smoother app connectivity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 170 degrees front lens captures nearly everything in front of you, and the 160 degrees rear cam gives solid coverage without blind spots. The HDR processing balances bright headlights and dark shadows better than most budget dual cams. Plus, the 3.59-inch IPS screen is one of the largest in this range, making playback and settings adjustments way easier. Now, some users noted that the app can be slow to connect initially, sometimes taking 10-15 seconds to sync. Here's the thing though, once connected, it's stable and the 5G Wi-Fi helps with faster downloads. Also, while the night vision is good, it struggles slightly in total darkness compared to Azacvb models. This is perfect for you if you want a large screen, dual recording, and GPS, all under $90. Skip this one if you need top-tier low-light performance or plan to use parking mode without buying the separate hardwire kit. For families or rideshare drivers needing full coverage on a budget, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, JOMISC 4K Dual Dash Cam. Finally, we have the JOMISC, the most affordable dual 4K dash cam on this list at just $55. Yes, you read that right. It records 4K front and 1080p rear, includes a 64GB card, and even has 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS. Sounds too good to be true. Well, there's a catch, but it might not matter depending on your needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. For rideshare drivers or new car owners on a tight budget, this offers essential protection without sacrificing core features. The 170 degrees front lens and basic WDR handle daytime and well-lit nighttime driving fine. Loop recording and G-sensor work as expected, and the app lets you check footage quickly. It's also compact, so it won't block your view. Now, some buyers reported that video quality dips noticeably in very low light, like unlit backroads at midnight. Here's the thing though, if you mostly drive in cities or suburbs with streetlights, you'll barely notice. Also, the plastic build feels lighter than pricier models, but that also means it's less prone to overheating in summer. This is perfect for you if you need basic dual-channel recording under $60 and don't drive often in total darkness. Skip this one if you frequently travel through rural areas at night or want premium durability. For students, delivery drivers, or backup cars, it's an unbeatable entry point. So which one should you pick? If you want the best overall package, go with the REDTIGER F7N Touch. Need dual recording on a budget? The OVAMAN K600 or X5 are strong choices. Prefer front only with GPS and US support? ROVE R2 4K is your pick. And if you're really pinching pennies, JOMISC proves you don't need to spend big for basic protection.